In this episode, we're installing a fish finder on our boat.
G'day and welcome back to our channel.
This is a Lowrance Hook Reveal fish finder that we found on Marketplace. It also comes with a TripleShot transducer that has side scan, down scan, sonar and GPS. Firstly, we found the right place that we wanted to install the screen at the helm. We decided to use rivet nuts as the dash surface was quite thin. So we drilled out the correct size hole and countersunk the rivet nuts. On this occasion we needed to chamfer the holes a little more, as you can see it caused some damage to the top coat. For the cables to come through the dash, we have used these cable glands, using stainless steel Allen key head bolts to hold the mount down. We ran the transducer cable up the gunnel. As you can see here, we have left the cable ties loose to run more cables at a later date. Okay, time to mount the transducer. We are going to use the existing holes where a pitot was located previously. We will put some silicone in these holes to seal them up with the screws. Bonus tip, use some tape to cover up the end of the silicone nozzle to keep it from drying out. Install the screws loosely for now, and we will adjust the height. This location is good because there are no strakes in the hull in front of the transducer. These would cause turbulence and affect the signal. Use a level or a straight edge to line up the center line of the transducer with the bottom of the hull. This looks a little low, but we're at the limit of the screws, so we will see how it performs when we water test. Loosen this bolt and lower the back of the transducer so it is lower than the front. This will also help reduce turbulence. Reducing turbulence across the transducer will help give you a better signal. This is a 50-watt flexible solar panel from Kick-Ass Products. It will help keep the battery charged while using the fish finder and charging accessories such as phones.
What else is in there?
The solar panel will sit across the front of the boat and hopefully keep the battery topped up. We can see that the panel is feeding in 13.7 volts. This is a good sign. Okay, the moment of truth. Will it turn on? Success! We are in business. Thanks for watching our latest mission and supporting our channel. Stay tuned for our next adventure. Please hit like and subscribe.